any website to advertise on your website by using video, the option is called Google My Business. First of all, Google My Business most effective reach will be based on your post option. Based on your post option. So what are the reach will be very less. There is nothing but your posting will be very poor. So most of the people are posting this video to share the social media, and finally destination is the your website traffic. So you're uploading so many images, so many photos. So anything, if you're promoting for website purpose, you're promoting for website purpose, the use option is called post option. And your Google map always first position is only for based on the post option, based on the post option. So in this, select here post, add here, select it. Video will be done. It's not showing correctly properly. After that, select your website link, copy. Why? Because people come into here, inquiry now by here. Submit, click for publish. After publish, the video will publish in more here. Check back soon. Why? The video is a embedding will be started by your particular map. When it is publishing done, the showing video will be like this. The video will be play will be like this. In this any video, we can share for your social media also. The video will be play also. The video will be play also. Where? Facebook to Google Map to your website. Is it totally generating for social media referral traffics. Social media referral traffic. So I'm selecting here, share, where I'm selecting for Facebook. When you're sharing Facebook time, is not showing image. Once again, share, done image is a image will be showing. So maybe after playing this one, everything, I can show this one. Upload it using hashtags, digital marketing, services, using select your page, marketing, agency, receive, how many page you want, share that option, Facebook. Share. If you got Facebook, you can share this one. So how many Facebook pages, everything you can share. But here the only problem is called, anytime we can't share multiple Facebook pages. Anytime we can't share multiple Facebook pages. Everything will be shared one by one. And when other page is sharing purpose, we can using for one more option also. In this, we can use @, also. Which one? Using @, where you can share by this will be another, where your timeline on your story. Select it, click for post. I'll show the advantages. Go to Facebook profile, Go to Facebook profile. Here two advantages. One is website traffic. Second will be page likes. They come into here. Open this. They're going to where? Page. Is there nothing but tagging? Is there nothing but tagging? So the tagging will be my Facebook page. When click here, they're going to where? Google My Business. After My Business, we can watch the video. After watching video, what is showing for? Sign up. They're going to where? Finally, destination, website traffic. So in a profile selection time, we can edit it for Facebook page and post it. Automate three advantages. Your mapping post reach, Facebook page likes, and website traffic. In video, they got three benefits: video views, page likes, and website traffic. So this is called people engagement on your particular video to live the traffic will be generated on particular site. I'm not interested to website traffic. Give the call now button. Generating for phone call, but is only eligible by mobile users. But I'm looking for mobile and desktop user. Always we focus by the website. Always focus by the websites. Is it clear? This is a very, very important and particular scenario to generate the traffic by using videos.